Hello friend, thank you so much for clicking this video. I'm Sunday Hoyewale, and in this video I want to show me and my friend hooking up in Lagos, Nigeria for a day class. Yes, she came in for a day class, and this is the product of what we're able to do for that just hours. Few hours we were able to get this flat mold out. So you want to see how me and she was able to get this flat mold out, so this video is for you. I want to tell you that I really want to show you this because I just like our presence. Our presence has been so wonderful in the class, having traveled from the UK to Nigeria just to visit the workshop and take a class. That is why I want to show you this video. So you want to see how we do this in the workshop, then watch it step by step. Some steps skipped off, but you're going to have a bit understanding of how we're going to make this flat mold come to be. Thank you so much for watching to this time. Yeah, we were able to work on this from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. It's a long hour. So all this we are able to compress it down. That's why I get us some steps being skipped off it. And at the end, she was so happy and she was so fulfilled that a day class she was able to get this out. Thank you so much for watching to this time. If you're a first timer, can you hit the subscribe button? While you hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you get a upload notification else. So you get notification of subsequent upload on this platform. I'm Oyewale Sunday, and you know what we do at the October School of Shoemaking is that we help you take your craft to the next level, the level at which you are, and we help you to navigate to that point at which you desired to be. I'm Oyewale Sunday. Never stop learning.